the 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power front seats, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Come down to our dealership, where you can browse our entire inventory in person.